Hey guys, welcome to Kami's Kitchen. In this channel, I demonstrate cooking a variety of food in a simple way. Today, I'm gonna make hamburger steak. せーの、みんな大好き! Basically, hamburger steak is a hamburger without bread. It is very popular in Japan because everyone grows up eating it. It's like when a mom asks you what you want to eat for dinner, more than 50% of the kids say hamburger steak. I think hamburger steak is more popular than hamburger in Japan. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna show you ingredients. Minced meat. I'm using mixture of pork and beef, but if you cannot find mixture, minced beef will do. Onion. I'm gonna use a half a burger and another half for tomato sauce. An egg. Breadcrumbs. Canned tomato for the sauce. And the garlic, this is for sauce as well. So I'm gonna cut the onion. I'm just gonna use the half for the burger, so I'll keep it for later. There you go. So after you cut the onion, what I do is put everything together in a bowl. Egg as well, straight in. And breadcrumbs. And add 1 small tablespoon of salt. And add black pepper as well. So after you put everything together, then you mix with your hand. And you mix it until it gets sticky. Okay, it should be okay if you mix it for 2-3 minutes. Then you need to shape it with your hands. Then you should be able to get something like this. Now I'm gonna grill the burgers. Pop the heat on. Then place the burger. And after about 2-3 minutes, you flip it over. Hey! せーの! 大丈夫! よいしょ! Okay. It worked. And after another 2-3 minutes, you pour the water and cover it quickly. And you need to wait for 5-6 minutes. After 5-6 minutes, I think it should be done. せーの. Ta-da! はい. Looks perfect. Turn off the heat. これ見て。これやばくない？これやばいよね。And on the same frying pan, I'm gonna make tomato sauce for the burgers. Turn on the heat again. Put the garlic. Then put onion. Then you stir fry the onion for a couple of minutes. Then pop the tomato in the frying pan. Salt. Lovely. Okay, it's done. It's perfect. こういうことですね。完成です。Looks amazing, right? Absolutely fantastic. I made tomato sauce this time, but you can try other types of sauce as well, like teriyaki sauce, demi-glaze sauce, or curry sauce. I'll try some of these sometime as well. Okay, if you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button or subscribe to the channel. Okay, see you, bye. ごちそうさまでした。